I'd like to call the order the special meeting of Medford Township Council, May 12th, 2026. This meeting is called pursuant to the provisions of the Open Public Meetings Law. This meeting of May 12th, 2026 was posted on the website and on the bulletin board in the municipal building on May 6th, 2026, and has remained continuously posted as required under the statute. In addition, a copy of this notice is and has been available to the public and is on file with the Office of the Municipal Clerk. Please rise for the flag salute. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Okay, roll call, please.
Ms. Santamore? Here. Mr. Cox?
Here.
Ms. Mel?
Here.
Deputy Mayor Voorhees?
Here.
Mayor Scissor?
Here. All right, this evening we have no special presentations. Would any of the members of council like to add to communications? No? Okay, great. For scheduling items, our next meeting will be May 19th. 2026 will be a town hall style meeting here at the Public Safety Building at 7 p.m. It's normally at 6:30, but it will be at 7 on the 19th. We have no approval of minutes, no discussion items. I'll now open the floor to public comment. You'll have 5 minutes. Please state your name and your address. Speak clearly in the microphone. And Chief Dovey, if you can keep the time for us. Thank you.
Eric Giffens, 295, Route 541, and to the republic for which it stands. America's form of government is a constitutional republic which secures common law and the people's unalienable rights given at birth by our Creator. Unalienable. No liens or fees against our inherent rights. Your oath to the Constitution, which is a contract and trust from the people to you, confirms you read and understand New Jersey Constitution, Article 1, Section 2, all political power is inherent in the people. Government is instituted for the protection, security, and benefit of the people. And they have the right at all times to alter or reform the same whenever the public good may require it. If the people can alter or reform government, I'd say the people are boss and master of public servants and government, right? Furthermore, holding all political power, the people have an inherent right to create and form grand juries. If you don't like being a public servant, if you don't want to help the people, step down. Now, can you show in the Constitution where our government could convert into a privately owned corporation with public servants capable of practicing law for profit? Of course not. It's ridiculous. Who is the criminal claiming to own Medford? Medford Township is a registered corporation with Dun & Bradstreet operating under color of law. Search for yourself. As example, search Medford Township DNB. DNB for Dun & Bradstreet. Search away. Just add DNB to the end. Try Internal Revenue Service DNB. Try New Jersey Courts DNB. Being Medford Township is a corporation equivalent in law to McDonald's. Legislated statutes, ordinances, mandates, etc. are corporate bylaws that only apply to public servants. And public servants shall never practice law for corporate profit. No affirmation of injury, there's no crime. With Town Council having a fiduciary duty to the people of Medford, where are we with our property tax refunds? Medford Township, how do we sue Medford Township for our property tax remedy? How? Medford Township is an inanimate and unconscious corporate entity. It has no brain, cannot walk or talk, it's unable to be witness, affirm injury, contract, or practice law. It only exists on paper as a corporation with the company logo. How can the people of Medford sue a company logo for property tax remedy? Mayor Mike, please ask Medford Township how we receive our refunds. Go ahead. Anybody? It's just a logo. Can you show in the Constitution where the people granted attorneys and judges the authority to litigate a company logo for affordable housing? Maxim of law. A judge who exceeds his office or jurisdiction is not to be obeyed. Do you really think the people created government to demand we build housing, or as punishment, place liens and fines against ourselves? It's treason for any judge to operate outside their administrative jurisdiction.
1 minute, sir.
And an inanimate state cannot litigate an unconscious township. Only people can sue people. It's non-sane that attorneys and judges can interact with the company logo. Talk about delusional psychosis. Remember, Medford, as they continue to babble affordable housing nonsense, they're knowingly extorting everyone with scam property taxes. In conclusion, the people of Medford must sue the corporate owner for property tax refunds. Only people can sue people, so we need a name. I think it's Larry Fink with BlackRock. I think Larry Fink with BlackRock owns Medford Township Corporation. Next meeting, the 19th, we demand the criminal's name that claims to own Medford Corporation and a guarantee from Town Council that extorted dark money,
Sir, final thought, please.
never funded human trafficking. Okay?
Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah, well, ordinances don't even apply to us. That's your corporate policy. I have freedom of speech and unlimited time, just to let you know. But ironically, I'm done.
Thank you, sir.
Okay? When are you guys going to do the right thing?
We appreciate your comments, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, you should start by firing them. They're crazy.
Thank you.
You talk the company logos. You're nuts.
Anyone else for public comment? No? Okay. Seeing none, motion to close?
I'll make the motion.
Second.
Okay, all in favor?
Aye.
Right, we are now going to move to ordinances for second reading. Would someone like to make a motion on ordinance 2026-12?
I move that council adopt on second reading ordinance 2026-12, repealing and vacating Township Code Section 613, entitled Affordable Housing Provisions, in its entirety, and replacing it with new Section 613, entitled Affordable Housing.
Okay.
Second.
Okay. I do public comment.
We do have to open up the.
Public hearing, yes.
Yes.
Okay, at this time, I'd like to open the floor to public hearing for this ordinance, 2026-12. Would anyone like to speak to this ordinance? No? Seeing none, motion to close?
Motion?
Second.
Okay. All in favor?
Aye.
Okay. Now, roll call for adoption.
Ms. Santamore? Mr. Cox?
Aye.
Ms. Mill?
Aye.
Deputy Mayor Gordon?
Aye.
Mayor Fisher?
Aye. All right, ordinance is passed. All right, we now have one resolution, Resolution 106, 2026, amending Resolution 98, 2026, authorizing the mayor, clerk, and township manager to execute a federal aid agreement with the NJDOT.
So moved.
Second.
Okay? Roll call.
Ms. Santamore? Yes. Mr. Cox?
Aye.
Ms. Mill?
Aye.
Deputy Mayor Gordon?
Aye.
Mayor Fisher?
Aye. Right. Resolutions are passed. Motion to adjourn.
So moved.
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
All right. Good job, guys.
Or 5 minutes.